All right, welcome back. Now let's talk about even and odd functions. So we want to be able to identify even and odd functions. So in this case here, there are obviously two, even and odd. So we call a function f even if, when we replace x with negative x, right? So and in this case, f of negative x equals f of x, so we get the same function back. So if we replace x with negative x in the function and we get back the original function, we call that an even function. And that's true, and that's an even function if that's true for all x in the domain of the function, right? So a function f again is an even function if f of negative x is equal to f of x for all x in the domain of the function f. And the graph, not surprisingly, right, because we just went over this, the graph of this function is symmetric with respect to the y-axis, because this is exactly what we talked about in the last video. Now, what about odd functions? So a function f is an odd function if f of negative x equals the negative of f of x for all x in the domain of f. Okay, so let me say that again. So a function f is an odd function if f of negative x is equal to the opposite or negative of f of x for all x in the domain of f. Okay, so that means if we replace x with negative x in the function and we end up with the negative of the original function, then it's an odd function. And odd functions, the graphs of odd functions are symmetric with respect to the origin. Okay? Okay, so we're going to do some examples and then we'll go forward.